VeriDoc Global has developed an anti-fraud document verification system that ensures that the user is looking at a true and correct document created by the issuer. Let us show you how this works. Most documents are printed on plain paper. To try and prevent document fraud, the most common practice being used are watermarks, but this is a counterfeit's dream. Regardless of the type of watermark you try and use, it's never been easier to scan the original document and use Photoshop to print out new documents that look every bit as good as the original. And how can anyone tell what the original is supposed to look like, right? We're going to show you just how easy it is to stop fraudulent documents once and for all using the latest patented VeriDoc Global technology. You might have seen QR codes before. They are starting to pop up everywhere on the side of buses and in magazines. Basically, a QR code is a two-dimensional barcode, and unlike a normal barcode, it can store a lot more information. So what we've done is embed a QR code on a document with a hash inside this QR code. The hash holds a string of information that is then placed on the blockchain network for security, verification, and most important, end-user validation. The way it works is the document issuer produces a document, and then the system gives the document a unique hash. It then embeds that hash as a QR code on that document. Using a QR code reading app, all you do is hold it over the QR code of the document and it will scan it. The app will then show you the true document on the device for you to compare and see if the document you are looking at is an original or a fake. How this works is the system looks at that hash inside of the QR code and then checks the hash on the blockchain and displays a document that is linked to the hash. The technology might sound complicated, but the user experience is very simple. This stops document fraud because blockchain technology prevents the data and the QR code from ever being changed or removed. The applications for this are endless, from passports, driver's licenses, academic certificates, bank statements, mortgage deeds, stock certificates, medical records, legal documents. The list just continues to grow. VeriDoc Global, the future of document security.